this?
Okay, here, I'm starting the recording. We're recording now. And I'll do most of the talking. We're going to test the dropping point on this grease. Kendra's going to do the work.
I already have the grease in.
You already? She's already taken the grease and stuffed it into one of these little cups. There we go. Now, there's very little grease in there. After you fill it, you squeeze most of it back out again. You assemble it into this little test tube arrangement with a thermometer. And you stick it into the oven. The oven can test like 5 or 6 samples at a time. We're just testing one. The oven's already pre-warmed. And what you do is you stir through this window down here, and as the temperature slowly climbs, you wait and watch for a drop of oil to come out. You can actually see the bottom of the cup there sticking out. You watch for a drop of oil to appear there. Now, this takes a while. So we're going to make this video less boring by cutting out that wait. Okay, we're starting to see at 3 minutes and 7 seconds, we're starting to see a little drop forming there. It's not quite ready to fall yet. I'll holler to you when it does drop. Can you get a reading?
360.
Okay, we're about there then. We're seeing a drop forming here, but it hasn't dropped yet. It's starting to droop. Okay, it's definitely coming towards the drop. There it goes. It's on the way down. I'll tell you, Kendra, when it drops. There it goes.
380, 390.
390, okay. I doubt very much that that'll be visible if I try to find it on the thermometer, so we won't even try. Okay, so now Kendra has to do a little calculation. There's a pen, Kendra. So she takes the temperature of the oven and the temperature of the sample.
We got the same thing here. We called it 27.
Okay. Okay.
So it'll be 27, then 27 plus the 390 gives you 417.
So the dropping point was 417. We checked this sample once before, didn't we? Mm-hmm. We got a very similar number. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, this is the second part of the video. We've looked at one grease and we got a result of 417. And we're going to try a second grease, the green one. And we've already got it set up. We don't need to go through that again. Pardon the ambient noise, it's a busy lab. And fourth, first, second, third, fourth. And we're already getting fairly high in temperature. We're up around 450, 460. So we're already way ahead of the other. Kendra's keeping a close eye on the temperature, but we're approaching 500 now, I would think, Kendra.
Yes, sir.
And still nothing sagging here from the cup.
Let me check the Tracy on that.
I think to save further boredom, we can just take it as it is. It's not dropping at a pretty doggone high temperature there. It's not even starting. Okay, I'm going to shut it down, Kendra. There's no point in beating a dead horse here. So the point here was to show that grease is very widely in dropping point. We had one at 417 Fahrenheit, and this one is pushing 600. Mm-hmm. What is it at now, Kendra?
It is at 570.
570, and we can't get it to drop. So there it is.